Uba Preston Tinsong Chairman ka High Level Committee hak arp kandai trik ubrai risau arja arpwe ulapente baga sarkar Meghalaya kalashimti ya jaka thamyo molong hak basa kijaj benriu harijan.
Urban Affairs Department has already taken over possession of the land at Jio Molong, the entire area, as signed between the government, municipal board, and also the scheme of Malim, the lease agreement. So today I'm happy to tell you that we have already taken over possession of the above land. So once this is done, then the next steps, very shortly the cabinet will sit down again and will discuss further.
Ulapente bru basyan ka sarkar kan sedang no ban kan ria ek basa ak te jaka wa ulakar padru ye baro ki basa hang te bakinya trailang bar ka sarkar.
They need to cooperate with us, and number two, they should not think that we are against them. They should not think that we are throwing them out. It's not that. But what we wanted is from the government side to relocate and have a proper place. That is number one. That's why that time, the moment we started our functioning in the committee, high-level committee, we have asked municipal board to go for inventorization. Unfortunately, the residents of these places, they refused to cooperate with Shillong Municipal Board. Though we tried 3 times, still they did not want to cooperate with us because we really wanted to know exactly how many settlers were there, how many people staying over there. Be it the employee of the municipal board or of the state government, or be it new settlers who stays there. In fact, that is our intention. Once the inventorization is done, so, then we understand actually the actual numbers of the settlers, and then we will work it out accordingly.